Hi! In this video, we will quickly compare Clixtell versus ClickCease. Clixtell's advanced tools for online advertising in the digital era have brought its global reputation as a constantly growing and improving company that strives to provide a safe and transparent advertising experience for all businesses and agencies. The company helps to optimize and protect PPC campaigns, track calls, increase sales and profit, and improve customer retention. ClickCease fraud prevention. In 2021, click fraud will waste 20% of PPC marketers' budgets. Competitors and bots can waste your advertising cash by clicking on your adverts. The ClickCease Google Ads click fraud protection software will reject false clicks and eliminate invalid IP. This will increase the effectiveness of your efforts and allow you to gain more customers. Clixtell is your one-stop dashboard for all your digital marketing needs. We provide custom-made solutions for digital marketing agencies as well as to small businesses worldwide. Our cost-effective and flexible plans are designed to suit all customers according to their specific demands and needs and to their field of expertise. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.